So we're here at Gerrys Grill, and we're looking over the items on the menu so we can order. And we think we're gonna order. We know we're gonna order that Blue Marlin or the Marlin. Okay, we're at Gerrys Grill, and Scott's not here to order for us, so we're gonna have to do it by ourselves today. We're gonna have to order by ourselves. So we're gonna get the Blue Marlin steak. This is also good, Jaya. This that's good. Yeah, that's good. And what else? And you said you want to get curry and CC? Yeah.
I like
Blue Marlin steak.
You can get it.
Oh, that's good. There you go. There you go. And the rest. Okay, thank you.